preventing AirPlay from disconnecting frequently.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on preventing AirPlay from disconnecting frequently. In this video, we will go through several steps that can help you fix this issue, making your AirPlay experience smooth and consistent.
Are you using a stable Wi-Fi connection?
The first thing to check is your Wi-Fi connection. AirPlay depends heavily on Wi-Fi, and if your connection is unstable, it may cause frequent disconnections. Make sure your devices are in range of your router. Try to reduce Wi-Fi interference by moving other electronic devices away from your router. Consider using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if your router supports it, as it can provide a more stable connection.
Are all your devices up to date?
Using outdated software can cause compatibility issues, which may result in AirPlay disconnecting frequently. Always keep your iOS, macOS, and tvOS devices up to date. Regular updates often include fixes that could solve your AirPlay disconnection issues. Ensure that the firmware of your router is also up to date.
Are you rebooting your devices regularly?
Rebooting your devices can often resolve many issues by clearing temporary files and resetting system settings. Try restarting your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. Also, reboot your router as it might be causing network issues.
Are you resetting network settings?
If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings. Remember, this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. On your Mac, go to System Preferences, Network. From there, delete and re-add your Wi-Fi network.
Are you contacting Apple support?
If you've tried all of these steps and are still facing issues, it might be time to contact Apple support. They have professionals who can diagnose and fix your problem. So there you have it. These steps should help you prevent AirPlay from disconnecting frequently. Hopefully, this video has been helpful, and you can now enjoy a seamless AirPlay experience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos like this one.